So I'm here to let everybody know what it's like to get a hearing test when you're my age. So I'm 66 and I'm turning 67. So apparently the world thinks that I need a hearing test. So what I want to do is show you how my hearing test went. So here I am. Pretend that I'm sitting on the end of the examination bench, and the doctor says, "Okay, John, cover your left ear. Now, what I want you to do is turn your head the other way." Okay. And now I'm going to say something, and tell me if you hear it. Uh, Yellow. Okay, here's another word. Uh, ah, uh, Purple. Now, what makes this pretty interesting is Deb is sitting over there in a chair, okay? And she's looking at the person that asked me to turn my head and cover my ear. And I look at Deb, and she goes, "Yellow? Purple? That's what you heard?" Well, the thing is, I don't know how long you people have been living on Earth, but as far as I'm concerned, if someone is over there and you want to listen to whatever they're saying, don't you think you'd want to be looking that way? And not only that, don't you think you would be covering your right ear for them to go ahead and say whatever they're going to say? And then you actually come back and say, "Well, I got that word right." No! There's a reason why God put two ears on these heads. This head has a left ear and a right ear. So if there's someone on my left that is actually telling me something, I would think that I would cover the right ear. Because why would you tell me to cut off the cave coming in from the left? I don't understand. I don't understand. And I'm going to tell you right now, as long as I've lived, whenever I've listened to anybody, I've always looked at them and I could see their lips moving and I could hear some sound. And it doesn't matter what ear it went into, but I was in the direction of where it was coming from, Now, so she says, cover your right ear. Yup. And turn to your left. Oh, and she says, perfect some. Perfect some. I'm just telling you, it doesn't make any sense that the ear that is supposed to be hearing on this side of the room is being covered. So when they come up with their analysis after the hearing aid tests, well, it seemed like you had a lot of problem listening on the left and on the right. And I just think that maybe we should be considering some kind of hearing aids for you. Really? How about if I just don't cover my damn ears and look at you when you speak? That's it.